Alright, we want to see how a professional captain backs into a slip when it's pretty damn windy out there. I don't wish them ill.
23 mile an hour winds.
23 mile an hour winds. I don't wish them to hit anything, but it's not easy, even with the big boys. Right now he's gonna hit. You know, he's probably got several thousand horsepower, but we'll see how he does. Or she. I don't know who the captain is, do you? We met a dockhand on this boat at the bar the other night. She said it's nothing like the TV show Below Deck. They work full time for this. It's not a charter, so it's not like what you see on TV. He said we try to find people that you get along with. He's using those thrusters. I wouldn't have went back in today. Where is the captain at?
Inside?
Could be, yeah. There's no wing controllers or nothing. He's inside, and people telling him what to do, I guess. Yeah, there's the chef right there, isn't he?
Yep.
She said a lot of people do double duties, and that lady, the girl right there on the corner, she's the girl we met the other night.
Started on a sailing yacht. Guess they're not going back to Virginia Beach yet.
No, not yet.
What was in the slip last night?
It looks like an 80-foot Horizon came in after hours and didn't pay because they were gone before 6. It was about an 80-footer right where this beach girl was. And
Smoking
he's
too much.
smoking. He had to use some power.
They dumped their trash and left.
Yeah, they dumped the trash. They didn't even plug in or nothing, which is, it's fine. We've seen it, but it's usually sailboaters that do it. They come in, dine and dash, as they say. People around here that we've met, mostly dockhands and not dockhands, but dock workers and everything else, they hate sailboaters.
And who else is our neighbor? I'd be putting some fenders on that side. Maybe they put their foot out like we've seen.
Yeah.
Look at the guy with the little cushion.
Look at the chef with the little.
That's not gonna do it.
That's not gonna do it. Shit.
Who's our neighbor?
Tiger Woods is down that way. We're inside right now. We don't want to embarrass anybody by filming him. He's doing good. Or she.
Maybe they came back and it's gonna be worse tomorrow. We're finally gonna get to go to the Bahamas. We'll get the scoop from her. The owners are inside. I'm assuming. Maybe they dropped the owners off.
Maybe. I don't know.
Oh, that's a little question.
That little thing's not going to do anything.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, he's did a really good job. I still don't know where the hell he's at. Or she.
I'm sure they have cameras. We got it. Very nice. Will you buy me that boat?
No. Get some line on this stern, you're going to hit.
Here she comes.
Oh, they're running.
Drop that stupid thing.
Oh, that was close.
Oh,
that was close. Oh, just in time. All right. It looks like they're
Very
in.
nice.
Give a little juice forward. Well, that was uneventful. Did a good job. Okay.